Hello student, welcome to AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Myself Dr. A.R. Deshmukh from Engineering Sciences Department. In this video, we are going to discuss about optical fibers. Now, what is optical fiber? An optical fiber is a thin cylindrical fiber of glass or any transparent dielectric medium. The fiber which are used for optical communications are waveguides made for transparent dielectrics, and its function is to guide visible or infrared light over a long distance. Now let us understand what is the structure for the optical fiber. Now optical fiber consists of the central core, then it's a cladding, again it has the coating and which is having outer jacket. Now the core is the central tube of very thin size which is made up of optically transparent dielectric medium and carries the light from transmitter to the receiver. The core diameter can vary from 5 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Also, cladding is the outer optical material surrounding the core having the reflecting index lower than the core, and it helps to keep the light within the core throughout the phenomena of total internal reflection. And the plastic coating is the coating that protects the fiber made up of silicon rubber, and the typical diameter of the fiber after coating is 250 to 300 nanometer. Now let us understand the working principle of the optical fiber. When a ray of light travels from the denser medium to the rarer medium such that the angle of incident is greater than the critical angle, then the ray reflects back into the same medium. This phenomena is called as total internal reflection. Now the light ray must in order to travel the light ray within the fiber, it must follow the total internal reflection. In the optical fiber, the rays undergoes repeatedly total internal reflection until it emerges out of the other end of the fiber. Even if the fiber bends, this does not change any. Now the optical fiber can be classified into the different types on the basis of the number of modes as well as the refractive index or the reflective index. Now on the basis of number of modes, it can be classified into two types. First is single mode fibers, in which only one mode can be propagated through the fiber. However, in the multimode fiber, it allows a large number of modes for light ray to travel throughout it. Now for the single index fiber, the step index optical fiber, the refractive index of the core and the cladding are constant, and in graded index fiber, it does not have the uniform refractive index, and the refractive index gradually decreases from the center towards the core cladding interface. Now optical fiber has different application, like it has a wide range of application in almost all field, such as telecommunication field, civil, consumer and the industrial applications, in military application. It also can be used in the broadband applications, also in the decorations. Thank you.